CMA Final Law June 26. It's finally over. What is written on that answer sheet cannot be changed now, but what still can be changed is your performance in the remaining papers. So let's quickly review today's paper and then shift our focus to the next battle with the undivided attention. तो अगर मेरे opinion में if you ask me how was the paper was easy, not even moderate, not even difficult. The paper was easy, right? You may have a different opinion, you may find it a little difficult, but I am talking when seeing a lot of students and when seeing the overall scenario. Fine. So students who had covered the syllabus thoroughly, had practiced the questions, have found the paper quite manageable. If I'm not here to tell you कि हाँ यार देखो मैंने important topics आपको दिए थे and the list of important topics it had all the questions and the questions were as expected, because if you want to compare you can go ahead and compare, but that's not the point and the focus over here right now. Most of the questions were the direct questions. Institute has not surprised us this time with some out of syllabus question. Although I would say many students are complaining कि मैम जो prospectus वाला criminal liability and civil liability question, it is not something in our syllabus or something, but you have read it before and it's something very generic and very general. You should all know that, right? The main focus were direct memory based repeat questions. So most of the students could manage well. Even if you couldn't, it doesn't matter now. What matters is we'll discuss that. But actually, I don't really want you to keep pondering over the question, keep discussing here and there. But because you have been repeatedly requesting this, let's decode today's MCQ very quickly. Here I have the paper, of course, the paper and the questions or the answers marked or of the students. So please don't go by that particular answer. We had a case study. The case study was an absolute mixed case study. It had so many points just written and then direct points which were being asked. तो सबसे पहला ये जो question था कि validity of the real estate contract. The answer C is fine because it is doctrine of ultra vires, all the contracts which are outside the object clause, right? So it is beyond the powers of. Is the company liable to repay 50 lakh loan by Mr. X? This answer basically would be option B, yes, under the doctrine of indoor management. Because bank did not have the knowledge, so company cannot deny that. Okay? So bank is not required. So by applying this doctrine, this would be the correct answer. Fine. What is the liability of misstatement in the prospectus? See, it although कोई भी loss के बारे में they have not mentioned, so maybe civil liability हो सकती है नहीं हो सकती है, but criminal तो होगी ही होगी. So definitely the answer is going to be option C. Can minority shareholders apply for relief against oppression? Well, it has been clearly stated कि 12% हैं. And you need only 10%, right? According to section 244 to 41, right? Club together, जो हम पढ़ते हैं. So yes, directly under this section, they can apply. This is going to be the correct answer. Fine. Independent MCQs, if I talk about question number 5, undoubtedly practicing chartered accountant, a normal course, board's report is signed by chairman with the board authority of the board. Under IBC, where extension of time is requested, normal time, I told you in the class also where we were discussing the questions. 180 days normal time, 90 days plus extension, it comes out to be 270 days, and with or without, with stay, it comes out to be 330 days. So they have asked this particular time limit. The correct answer is going to be 270 days. Fine. Okay, moving to the next question. This is option B, Kumar Mangalam Birla Committee. If you remember, you will be able to answer this. Again question, बहुत सारे question ये देखो, ये सब मैंने MCQs, important MCQs में ये सब questions थे. ठीक है, तो आप देखोगे तो आपको mostly questions ये, it's paddy cultivation. Fine. A process undertaken to elicit demand and assess the price. Book building, very simple. Again, question number 11, even if you do not know, you will be easily able to answer this one कि UPSI होती है, we have to communicate it only for legitimate purposes. Now this is unexpected because institute has asked a question full-fledged also of UPSI and here also of UPSI. उसके बाद अगर हम बात करें, this is conglomerate turn takeover. Then the next question, all of the above, very simple. Banking company क्या क्या करती है? Then if a unit, now it has plant and equipment में investment 130 crores and turnover 510 crores, it goes beyond the limit of MSME, right? So none of the above, neither micro, small, medium, it's going to be none of the above. Now under Information Technology Act, which of the following constitutes a cybercrime? All of the above. So some questions like this one, all of the above, like this one, and also this one, And I would tell you which else. Yeah, this one. So many MCQs were like कि इतने easy हैं कि क्या बताएं, है ना? So I can just say that yes, well-prepared students can expect excellent marks. Average students should also be able to score decent scores because there were enough scoring opportunities throughout the paper. It was a well-balanced paper. Thank you, Institute, for not incorporating any out-of-syllabus type of question. Now, if I talk about section B, again, the questions, as I told you, there's just one case based question, and that too was easy. It was not so difficult. If you had prepared well, if you know the concepts well, you would have been able to easily answer. Apart from that, declaration and payment of dividend, direct question, right? KMP, I told you in the important topics also, undoubtedly it is important, right? About the auditors, the tenure, the appointment, the disqualifications, very simple. Um, in fact, this conversion part also, or this I can say some of the students find difficult, the chapter of compromises, but then it's a direct question. Both report very easy, very expected, right? Then this question of IBC, I would say it is very easy, but of course it was lengthy. So overall, if I talk about the descriptive part, if you have selected certain questions, you may have found the paper to be slightly lengthy depending upon the question that you had selected. It was slightly balanced, but considering the fact that okay, which question you are going to select, you may have found it a little bit lengthy, but it was not so difficult, right? And of course, here are the quick glance at all the MCQ based answers. And now, the most important thing that you should know right now is that the champions don't spend their time looking back at the shots they have missed. They focus on the next opportunity. So, all the very best to each one of you. Go ahead.